Kelly City Rag at Home. My name is Cherry, and today we're going to be making a 3D paper flower. For your supplies today, you're going to need a full sheet of green paper, a full sheet of pink paper, half a sheet of yellow paper, a 12-inch skewer, a pair of scissors, and a glue stick. Your first step is to use the skewer to roll the green paper diagonally, and then you're going to glue the end. Your next step is to glue the end of the yellow paper and then fold it and then cut slits on the folded end. Once you're done cutting the slits on the yellow paper, you're going to glue it onto one end of the stem. Now you're going to get your pink paper, glue the end, fold it in half, and then cut slits on the folded end. Now you're going to glue your pink paper onto the yellow paper. And that's how you make your 3D paper flower. Thanks for watching.